What's up, everybody? Jimmy from Clockwork Industries. Welcome back to another quick clip video. It's been a minute since I was able to get a YouTube video up, but I had to do another one of these, and I realized I haven't made a video on these yet. These are the new Atlas GPU supports from Clockwork Industries. Basically, machine 6061 aluminum, anodized, and all the color options with 3 different color laser cut acrylic little bumper accent kits that go with them. And I figured I'd walk through the process and kind of film some of the machining and everything. I have a lot going on that I want to start bringing to the YouTube channel. I just got a bunch of stuff here. Actually, I got it right here. I got the new HDMI pack and some power extension cables, so I should be able to take the laptop and bring it over here where the phone's at right now. I'm just doing this right off my phone, and basically do live streams right to YouTube from the shop, anywhere I need to go or get access to that's important or that I would want to live stream anyway. To do some videos with the anodizing, going through like making fixtures and all that kind of stuff, and maybe try to do it every couple weeks, something like that. So I'm going to be getting all that set up here soon. And I tried to do the last Fusion 360 live stream, but unfortunately, when you're using OBS Streamlabs trying to stream Fusion 360, if you have to do it in share desktop mode. You cannot do share window mode. For some reason it bugs out, and all the important features that you want to share just disappear. So I'm going to try that again. The project I'm working on now, we're trying to get wrapped up, so I'm not going to do it with that one. I'm going to be doing it with probably whatever one comes up next. There's a couple on deck after that, so I'll do it with one of those. Probably something where it's a little more straightforward. This one's like 4 distros. They all got to work together, and there's a lot involved with that. The next one I get that's just one distro, and I can kind of go through it like step by step from a good design or a good sketch. We'll go through and do a live stream on that one. But other than that, though, I'm thinking about doing like a live stream for anodizing, maybe a live stream building a fixture. I'm going to be launching the new backtrack combs here soon, and I'm going to have to make 6 fixtures for those. So maybe we could do like a live stream while I'm going through how I kind of pattern everything out and do a mix of like Fusion 360 and then the camera live stream. So I can answer questions and stuff like that while I'm working on it. So what I'm going to do is, right now the fixture I have was just an initial kind of like somewhat prototype fixture, but just a fixture that I can make the whole GPU support bracket on. There's a lot of extra material that I need to kind of dial back when I make the official production fixture. This one just makes 1 GPU support per run. The new production fixture will probably be, I should be able to get at least 3, but maybe 4 of them on there at one time. So that's going to obviously be the more ideal setup. So I'm going to go ahead and get this clamped onto the fixture plate, and I'll get some footage of cutting through the whole process and going from this raw stock to finished Atlas GPU support. Alright, so that's basically it. That's the process to cutting one of these Clockwork Industries Atlas GPU support brackets. I really like the industrial look to these. They're going to hold up. They're going to be like a tank. They can hold up any GPU you throw at it, even the 3090s that are 4 inches thick with the new, what are they? The new shrouds that are on them and the heat spreaders and everything. The other part of this that comes with it are these laser cut acrylic risers, and then these are like acrylic washers so you don't mar up the parts. I was just going to install one really quick. These come in 3 sizes, small, medium, large, basically. And if neither 3 of those like hit exactly where you need it to, then you can use 2 instead of 3 mounting screws, and that gives you some sliding adjustability. And there's also acrylic pieces that come to as washers here, and there's now a 2 screw washer piece as well. So here's basically the install here. And that's what your GPU technically sits on. The 3 different sizes get around the fans wherever you need them to go, and then you have, you know, any one of these screw holes on the rail across the top. Should give you ample different options for placement to getting in there. Because I know I was testing it out on a GTX 1080 that I have with an MSI shroud on it. You know, their heat dissipator or whatever. I can't think of the actual word for the you know, the fan cooler that's on there. But there's some different contours on there that made it tricky to get to, but I was able to get to it no problem. I had to adjust these a certain way. I think I had to put one of the longest one all the way at the end, and just with that I was able to still use 3 screws and it held it up no problem. So that's basically going to wrap up the video. I was glad to get in here and get another video made. Be on the lookout for more of these type of videos, plus a live stream coming soon to the shop. I don't know, I would love to get one done this week. Today's Memorial Day. I'm filming this, and I'm just gonna toss this together in Adobe Rush on my phone. And hold on a second. These copper contour combs just came out the anodizing bath, looking nice and sweet. But yeah, anyway, today is Memorial Day. I'm filming this. I'm gonna clip it together in Adobe Premiere Rush and throw it up on YouTube today. Holds. There's a Memorial Day sale on the website. I'm going to leave it up for the rest of this week into next weekend. 15% off your order. Use the code MEMORIAL15. It's at the top banner on the website as well, so in case you need it. It was also sent out an email blast, and I think it's on my Instagram as well. So that's going to wrap up this video. Yeah. So I was glad to just get another video done. It's been way too long. It's been almost 2 months, I think, besides the live stream that I tried to do. So I'm really looking forward to getting the laptop set up to do Fusion 360 live streams. And I'm also, maybe you can find me later today on Twitch. I started live streaming some video games over on Twitch, mostly World of Warcraft Classic. Those are 2 games that got me into computer modding. And really all of this kind of spawned from playing that game. So I wanted to start forcing myself to try to take a little bit of a break and unwind a little bit, because I've been going nonstop for almost 8 years straight out here, and I wanted to break it up a little bit. So I started doing some streaming on Twitch. I'm going to try to get up on there a few days a week at least, and just hang out at the end of the day, at the end of the workday, and stream for a few hours. So I'm going to try to get at least like 3 or 4 days a week on there. It's going to depend on my schedule out here. With production and stuff, I'm able to get that stuff really streamlined. If I'm taking custom orders and stuff like that, it kind of throws things off a little bit, but I'm really trying to get streaming going on Twitch and do some live streams on YouTube as well. So that's going to be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget about the Memorial Day sale. Go check out the Atlas GPU support brackets live on the website and all the anodized colors. There's some placeholder images right now. I still have to get my photos finished, but I really wanted to get them up there. I had a handful of people say that they didn't care about the pictures. They saw the Instagram ones, they just wanted to get one, so I threw them up on the website. I think there's like 3 or 4 that have just like a picture of a panel comb so you know what color it will be, and then it's got the pictures of all the brackets in silver. So anyways, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.